Your car guy here. Today we're working on a 1997 BMW E36. This one is an M3, but this will work for most of your 328s, 325s, and such. What we've got going on is the heater control panel, which is right here, needs to be replaced. And I'm going to show you just how easy that is. So what you're going to do, you're just going to stick a screwdriver or something to pry with and just pop loose. Once you've popped it loose, simply pull the panel out. You're going to have two electrical connections. You're going to have the large one with this blue connector here. There is a tab right in the center under my fingernail there that you can't quite see, and it's tough to get an angle, that you have to push down and then pull that lever back. That'll release. Then this black connector, you're just going to pull straight up if you've got it rotated down like this, and it'll disconnect. This is a view of that tab that has to be pushed down in order to release the lock. And to just plug it back in, all you do is plug your parts back in and slide it right back into place. Everything's plugged in and locked, and you just simply shove it right back in. It'll snap into place. Then you'll test it and make sure that it works. Very easy job, simple to do. These panels do tend to go bad, so you can find them online on eBay or other places and buy a used panel. There's also a way to solder some of the connections on the back if it's acting up to get one working again. In this case, this one works great. I've already tested it and we're good to go. If this is your car guy, please like and share our videos and subscribe to the channel.